Hello everyone, it is Wednesday morning. Naglalakad-lakad muna tayo. Morning walk. No? Morning walk. And then breakfast and then we're going to be live again, no? It is a beautiful place. It is a nice place. Masarap maglakad-lakad. Malamig. It's a good way to start the day. Ikaw na nanonood, kamusta umaga mo? Ayos ba? We'll see you in the lives later, guys. God bless everyone.